Hey everyone, welcome back, and in today's video we are going to do a deep dive into the echo command. Okay, we already know what echo command is used for. Echo command is used for printing anything over the console. Okay, so in today's video we are going to learn more about echo command. Okay, why it is used for and what are the different case scenarios wherein which you can make use of echo command. Okay, so let me switch to sudo user. Control L to clear the screen. Okay, now what if I want to print a sequence of number by using echo command? Can it be possible? Yes, it is. You just have to type echo, okay, followed by the curly braces, and let's say that I want to print numbers from 1 till 100. So I won't be writing 1 2 3 4 and so on till 100, right? So by making use of two dot operators, I'll be printing the number from 1 till 100, and when you press enter it will be printed over the console. Okay, next thing, now let us say that you want to print odd numbers, and there should be and we are giving the condition that it should skip the two values and then print the next one. Okay, so write 2 over here and press enter. So it will print 1, then it will skip the next two numbers, then print 3, then skip two numbers, then print 5. So it will follow it till 100, that is 99, the last number. Okay, moving forward, so let's say I already told you about how you can print the number from 1 till 100, right? Now let us say that you want to print number in such a way that you have to try multiple combinations. What do I mean by combination? That you want to print 1a 2b, so these are the combination that you have to try. So okay, so that can be also done with the command echo. So you can do something like this: echo, you want to print number from 1 till 10. Okay, and the combination should be from a till z. When you press enter it will give up all the combinations. You can also try something like this. You can also mention that from capital A you till Z you want to print it. So these are the possible combinations which can be printed with the power of echo command. See, a simple command can do some complex things in just a click away. Okay, just clear this thing. Moving forward with the next thing. Okay, now let's say that you want to print the number in the reverse manner. Can it be done? Yes, it can be. So just print echo followed by the number that you want to print in a reverse manner. So we already know to print a number in from 1 till 10 we make use of this command. Okay, in order to print the same in reverse manner you can do something like this: echo space 10 till 1, enter. See, the number is printed in the reverse manner, followed by the iteration that I want to skip two numbers and then print, then 10 8 6 4 2. So this was all about printing the number in sequence manner and in the reverse manner. Okay, let me clear this thing out as well. Okay, now let us say that you want to do some sort of formatting in the text. Okay, and this is the last topic that we are going to cover in today's video. So let us say echo, this is a test file. Okay, when you press enter you will see that it is printed on the next line. Okay, now what if I want to give a backspace, bring it over to the new line, and I want to remove the spaces in between them? I'll make use of hyphen e. Okay, now let's say I want to do something like this. When I press slash n it will print the items after slash n to the next line. What will happen if I use slash b? It will reduce the space, it will nullify the space between the items. Okay, next thing, what if I want to insert a tab space? I'll just press enter and it will increase the tab space over there. Okay, this was all about echo command. Okay, if you want to learn more about echo command, just type man space echo. This is a documentation which you can refer for learning purpose. Okay, so this is known as a manual which you can refer. Here are the different attributes. Here is the synopsis written there, what it is used for, and what are the attributes that you can use. We already saw hyphen e over there. Okay, if you want to go and learn a deep dive about it, you can just make use of this particular manual. Okay, so hope you like today's video and see you in the next one. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.